Dark empaths possess insights into emotions, often manipulating others. They skillfully use empathy to influence and control. Survivors encounter emotional turmoil and confusion. Recognizing manipulation is the first step in healing. Identify patterns of control in relationships. Detach from toxic influences and prioritize self-care. Assert boundaries to safeguard emotional well-being. Seek therapy or support groups for guidance. Educate yourself about empathic traits and tactics. Rebuild self-esteem, shaking off negative opinions. Practice mindfulness to remain in the present. Challenge feelings of guilt and shame. Embrace emotional resilience and adaptability. Develop trust with supportive friends and family. Create a positive social environment around you. Engage in hobbies that bring joy and relaxation. Establish a daily routine to provide stability. Accept and process your feelings without judgment. Read self-help books focused on trauma recovery. Understand your emotional triggers and responses. Be patient with progress. Healing is gradual. Avoid comparisons with others' healing journeys. Focus on personal growth and improvement. Celebrate small victories along your recovery path. Reflect on past experiences to gain insight. Visualize a hopeful future free of manipulation. Commit to living a life rooted in authenticity. Maintain vigilance against emotional manipulation. Share your story to empower other survivors. Gain strength through collective healing and wisdom. Recognize true empathy in meaningful relationships. Reclaim your power by fostering genuine connections.